Okay, so I'm trying to rebuild this helmet. It's got all these parts for it. Got the skull, visor, bever, and the ventail. Yeah, I've been cleaning them up as best I can right now. But what I'm gonna have to do is make a new sort of collar for it to make a suspended sort of gorget plates. So, here, let's put this together, see how everything fits. And that way we can start making a pattern for that suspended gorget part. Yeah, the skull is fairly thick. This is 18 gauge, and then this is 20. This is 16 gauge, I think. So various different gauges. This project, and it's been kind of sitting around in parts for a long time, probably about 20 years. And so I've had to really clean out all the soft surface rust on it, and get a good idea what it's going to look like here. Okay. Yeah, so I'm at a place where I can make a choice. I can make just a straight collar on it, like a ring for it, or put flange on it to make it into a suspended gorget sort of clothes helmet. Okay, so that's, yeah, so I'm going to make a decision and keep restoring this.